Now it is time to put everything together. You've learned how to use the exchanges. You've learned risk, you've learned reward, you've learned the market cycle, the emotions. Ultimately, you learned that this is a personalized system for you. And now I'm going to bring it all together with showing you a portfolio management system and showing you how you should ultimately be building one portfolio. When it gets to the correct size, you can then build the next. So we have given you a roadmap, and we've showed you that roadmap of how to go from $100 to $1 million. And ultimately you're learning that when you start off with a small account, you are very active and you build your way up. When you start to get to another certain point, you start to get less active and you start to trade a little bit more swing. And then you get to a point of $100,000 where all of a sudden you become an investor. Ultimately, you're walking your way up step for step as you start to make your way up. Now, when it comes to that, you need to understand, if you have $100, how can you be an investor? How can you open a long-term portfolio? My opinion, you're not ready for it yet. So the way I did it was, I actually set the roadmap of when am I ready to actually start a long-term portfolio? What do I need to do first? I need to start a business. Once my business is healthy and it's at the certain point where it gives me what it needs to give me, then anything above that I can start building a long-term. The biggest mistake that people make is they come in and they start off as an investor with a very small amount of money, which yes is fine. If you have 10, 20 years to wait, you might make some decent money. But ultimately, you're not using the powerful system that we have right now. So the way you actually do it is you start off as a trader. As you make your way up and you get to a certain point of a $5,000 or $10,000 portfolio, then you're ready to start opening a long-term and start building actual savings. If you start with long-term, it's going to take you so much longer to get your account where it needs to be. Rather work smart with the actual system.